Welcome to Bubble Art Kids. Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about vehicles that move on land. Let's go! Car. A car is small and fast. Families travel in cars every day. Bus. A big yellow bus takes children to school. Truck. Trucks carry heavy things from one place to another. Motorcycle. A motorcycle has two wheels and go vroom vroom. Bicycle. You can ride a bicycle by pedaling. It's fun and healthy. Scooter. Scooters are cool and easy to ride. Train. Trains move on tracks and carry lots of people. Tractor. Tractors help farmers on the field. Auto rickshaw. A small three-wheeler used for short ride. Ambulance. An ambulance rushes to help sick people. Fire truck. This red truck helps put out fires. Police car. Police car helps officers catch the bad guys. Bulldozer. Bulldozers move dirt and rocks at construction sites. Crane. A crane lifts heavy things very high. Jeep. Jeeps are strong and great for rough roads. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.